Welcome to our comprehensive masterclass on Amazon Simple Storage Service, universally known as S3. S3 is the industry-leading object storage service built to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere. It offers unparalleled availability, security, and performance. Most importantly, it is designed for 11 nines of durability. That means if you store 10 million objects, you might expect to lose just a single one every 10,000 years, making it the bedrock of modern cloud computing. Understanding S3 starts with buckets and objects. A bucket is a container for objects stored in a specific AWS region. Bucket names must be globally unique across all AWS accounts, like a DNS domain name. An object consists of the file data itself, ranging from 0 bytes to 5 terabits, combined with metadata describing the content and a unique key identifier. This flat structure allows S3 to scale infinitely, unlike traditional hierarchical file systems. A critical feature for developers is S3's strong consistency model. Unlike older object stores that were eventually consistent, S3 provides strong read-after-write consistency for all requests. This means that immediately after you write a new object or overwrite an existing one, any subsequent read request will instantly return the latest version. This simplifies application logic significantly, as you don't need to build complex workarounds for data propagation delays. Choosing the right storage class is key to cost optimization. S3 Standard is the default choice for frequently accessed data requiring millisecond latency. For data with unknown or changing access patterns, S3 Intelligent-Tiering is a game changer. It automatically moves objects between frequent, infrequent, and archive access tiers based on real-time usage monitoring, saving you money without performance impact or retrieval fees. Use Standard IA for data accessed less than once a month, but that requires rapid access. For data archiving, the Glacier family provides incredible savings. Glacier Instant Retrieval works like Standard IA, but for rarely accessed data that still needs millisecond access. Glacier Flexible Retrieval offers lower costs, with retrieval times of minutes to hours. Finally, S3 Glacier Deep Archive offers the lowest storage cost in the cloud, a fraction of a cent per gigabyte, designed for long-term retention where data retrieval time of 12 to 48 hours is acceptable. S3 Replication enables automatic, asynchronous copying of objects across buckets. Cross-region replication, or CRR, copies data to different AWS regions, essential for disaster recovery and meeting compliance requirements that mandate geographic redundancy. Same region replication, or SRR, copies data within the same region, useful for aggregating logs from multiple buckets into one or creating test environments. You can even use replication time control to guarantee replication within 15 minutes. Security is paramount in S3. By default, all S3 resources, including buckets and objects, are private. Use block public access settings to enforce this at the account or bucket level. S3 supports robust encryption options, server-side encryption with S3 managed keys, KMS managed keys for audit trails, or customer-provided keys. For access control, you can use granular bucket policies or S3 access points to manage permissions for shared datasets easily. To protect against accidental deletions or overwrites, enable S3 versioning. This keeps multiple variants of an object in the same bucket, allowing you to restore deleted objects easily. For an extra layer of security, enable MFA delete. For compliance, use S3 object lock to enforce a write-once read many, or WORM model, preventing object deletion for a fixed amount of time or indefinitely, often required for legal holds. For high-performance needs, S3 includes powerful tools. Use Multipart upload to upload large files in parts concurrently, recommended for files over 100 megabytes. S3 transfer acceleration utilizes Amazon CloudFront's globally distributed edge locations to speed up transfers over long distances by routing data through the AWS backbone network. Additionally, byte range fetches allow you to retrieve only specific portions of a file, parallelizing downloads for massive speed improvements. A classic S3 use case is static website hosting. You can host HTML, CSS, and client-side JavaScript apps directly from a bucket without any web servers. Just configure an index document and an error document. For a production-grade site, pair this with Amazon CloudFront to serve your content via HTTPS with low latency from edge locations worldwide, giving you a highly scalable, serverless web hosting solution. S3's pay-as-you-go pricing creates massive value, but requires understanding. You pay primarily for storage per gigabyte month, and different tiers have different rates. You also pay for requests, such as put, copy, post, and list requests per 1000 calls. Importantly, data transfer into S3 is free, but data transfer out to the internet incurs egress fees. S3 Intelligent-Tiering adds a small monitoring fee but saves significant storage costs. In summary, Amazon S3 is the secure, durable, and scalable foundation of the entire AWS ecosystem. From data lakes and analytics to backup and archiving, S3 handles it all. Remember to leverage tiering for costs, versioning for protection, and replication for disaster recovery. Thanks for watching this deep dive. Subscribe to Cloud Decoded for more expert cloud tutorials.